25th November is celebrated as the International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women. The theme designated by the UN for this year is Fund, Respond, Prevent, Collect. Due to the COVID-19 lockdown across the world, this year is significant. Globally, the number of reported cases of domestic violence have risen. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 has expanded its definition of domestic violence to include any act, omission, commission, or conduct of the respondent which harms, injures, or endangers the physical or mental well-being of a woman. It also includes physical, verbal, emotional, sexual, and economic abuse. Any woman who has been or is in a domestic relationship with the respondent can file a complaint of domestic violence. Besides the husband or male partner, domestic violence complaint can also be filed against an abusive relative. Whom and how to ask for help? There are protection officers appointed by the state governments in each district. They act as a bridge between the system and the aggrieved woman by providing first-hand assistance about her rights, making a report, submitting an application, to name a few. The officer also ensures that medical facilities, legal aid, and shelter home, if required, are provided to the victim. During the COVID-19 lockdown, many women were confined with their abusers. Many faced financial constraints. Many were unable to contact or reach for help. The Delhi High Court, in a plea to address domestic violence, has directed the concerned authorities to appoint temporary protection officers till regular appointments are made. The J&K High Court directed all courts in Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir to treat cases of domestic violence as urgent. States like Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and Odisha have initiated phone-up programs and have directed concerned agencies to connect to women who have previously complained about domestic violence. The National Commission for Women has launched a WhatsApp helpline number as an exclusive helpline for domestic violence victims during the lockdown. To ensure mental health and well-being of women, the Health Ministry has launched a helpline to provide psychological support to women specifically for domestic violence. Important helpline numbers for women's safety are Women and Child Development Ministry during the lockdown conducted sensitization webinars for helpline personnel on how to provide psychological and legal counseling. It has also directed district collectors, district magistrates to equip helpline personnel to help affected victims. Given that not many women in India own a mobile phone, effective community response, on-ground measures by NGOs and self-help groups may prove effective ways to combat this shadow pandemic of domestic violence.